Hello everyone and welcome to Lockdown Learner. Today we are having Saurav Bia who have 1 year experience at Infosys as a system engineer and he has also done his training from Infosys only as a system engineer trainee. So Saurav Bia, introduce yourself.
Yeah. Hello everyone. Myself Saurabh Kulkarni and I have completed my mechanical engineering from the Sandeep Foundation Nasik. Yeah, I have completed diploma and degree both in mechanical engineering and then I joined the Infosys around 2019 October, and it's been a 1.5 year I'm working in Infosys, and I'm working for the Pune DC, and yeah, currently work from home is going on due to the lockdown. Yeah.
Okay, so work from home is like good or like work from office is good? Like which one is better according to you?
There are some pros and cons for the both. Like for the work from home, there are no stipulated hours for you to work. Like they can tell you to work after 5 hours, so like they can ask you the anytime. For the work from office, you need to work from the like 8 to 5. There is a fixed time. So and if you work beyond that, you will get paid extra. You will get a comp up in return. But in work from office, yeah, you will need to pay rent and all the things. So yeah, वर्क फ्रॉम होम में पैसे ज्यादा बचते हैं.
ओके नाइस. सो सौरभ भैया आप अपनी ट्रेनिंग के बारे में बताइए कि लाइक कितने मंथ्स की थी वो ट्रेनिंग और आपको किस टेक्नोलॉजी में उन्होंने ट्रेन किया.
Okay, so the training is usually for the 4 to 6 months. So training is divided into two parts. The generic training will be there, and after that, the stream training will be there. So in generic training will be common for all the students. Like, so it will be a Python first, and then the DBMS. Okay, and then you will get allocated to the different streams, and there will be one L&D session in between. So yeah, after the generic training, I got SAP ABAP, and then I further upskilled in the SAP SD. So I need to stay 1 month stay in Mysore for that upskilling, and some of my friends need to go to other DC for the upskill and reskill. So yeah, SAP ABAP and SAP SD, I'm skilled in.
Okay, in Journey you have learned like Python and SQL, right?
Yeah, in generic there is a Python training. It's stay for the like 1 month period long, and then there will be a DBMS, which will be a week or 1.5 week. So yeah, and there will be two exams, MCQ and the and the hands-on. So MCQ will be a 40 marks exam, and the hands-on will be 100 marks, but it will be converted into 60 marks. So the in total 100 marks FA will be there, and there will be two FS in the general training, the programming one and the DBMS one. And in the stream training, you will have the three FS, and then the fourth one will be the project. And there will be a one L&D exam. So total you are giving like yeah, 7 exams.
ओके. सौरभ भैया जैसे कि आपने बताया यू आर फ्रॉम मैकेनिकल ब्रांच, तो आपको एकदम से आईटी की कंपनी में आप आए, तो डिफिकल्टीज तो काफ़ी आपने फेस की होंगी बिकॉज क्योंकि प्रोग्रामिंग आपने अपने जो कॉलेज के करियर में लाइक कभी करी वैसे आपने प्रोग्रामिंग इन मैकेनिकल में लाइक सी और सी प्लस प्लस एनी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज.
So in mechanical engineering, in first year itself, there is a C programming language, but I have done the diploma in mechanical engineering. So in graduation, I have been like in direct second year. Okay, so there is no coding for me. And yeah, I was a little bit worried before joining Infosys that I could have been able to do coding, or it will be a possible for me or not. But yeah, Infosys made it easy because their training is like they teach from the scratch. They will teach you like how to write the hello word and all the things. So they will teach you from that basic things. So only thing you need is that you need to have a good logic. Even if you don't have the coding knowledge, it's okay. And that's the reason Infosys don't have the coding in their aptitude test. I think now they have introduced it, but before there was no coding in their aptitude test. The reason was only because they don't need like if you have coding knowledge then okay, but what they are looking is you should have a good logical reasoning, problem solving skills, and they can teach you the things very well. Like you can have the good grasping knowledge. You should have.
ओके.
Yeah.
सो लाइक यू आपने मैकेनिकल ब्रांच ली है, सो यू हैव सम ड्रीम्स ऑफ लाइक गोइंग इनटू द कार्स एंड ऑल. सडनली आपकी जो ब्रांच है वो चेंज हो जाती है जॉब के टाइम पे लाइक आईटी. सो इट इज लाइक आप पहले से यू आर प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट or like you are preparing, or like you have think like I have to go in an IT job, or it happens suddenly?
To be honest, I haven't think till my like in the last year. Okay, in last year I understood that okay, if the companies coming into the campus are all good, but like I wanted a job more like not the physical one, but the mental strength should be there. Like we should think, we should create something, not the physical work I wanted. So in the mechanical engineering, you will not get that job like in the first year itself. If you are from the IIT and the big colleges, then I think you may get, but in the normal college, you will not get that kind of job which you wanted. So there will be a low pay packages in mechanical engineering or civil engineering. But to start with, the IT is a good choice. Okay, so in last year, there was many of campus going on like TCS, Wipro. Okay, so I tried and okay, I liked the coding that time. Okay, so I learned C programming. Okay, so coding was interesting for me because the logic behind it and all the things. But before the last year, I haven't think about that. That I will go for the IT.
So जब
So
आपका,
I went for the
या
IT for the yeah, I went for the IT for the pay package, but okay, it create me the interest in the coding itself. Okay, so I think coding is the one thing I can do.
सो कोडिंग में जब आपका
Yeah.
इंटरेस्ट बना तो आपका मैकेनिकल ब्रांच से इंटरेस्ट हट गया था क्या, या स्टिल इज देयर लाइक यू वांट टू बिल्ड योर करियर इन मैकेनिकल इफ यू गॉट अ चांस?
Mm, yeah, I can build career in mechanical also. Like I have the interest in it, but yeah, not that. Like we should learn all the things. We should know all the things like which are going on. Like if it's a mechanical, if it's a IT. But yeah, I know about the machines now. If I get the opportunity to work in that, okay, I can work in that. But yeah, it should be a mental work. Like if I need to make any machine, then I can contribute in that. But yeah, I'm feasible in both now, like convenient in both.
Okay, so now we come on like stream training part. Like you told, like your stream training was on SAP, and you were having
Yeah.
how many FAs for that?
Okay, so for the stream training, you will have the three FS. Okay, and then there will be a project which will be considered as a fourth FA. Okay, so FA1, FA2, and FA3. So stream FAs are usually difficult than the generic one.
Okay,
Okay, your score will reduce in the stream FS. Like in generic, I was scoring like about 90 marks, but in when I went to the stream, I was went till the 60, 70 marks. So yes, the stream is really difficult. Stream training is really difficult than the generic one.
so stream training is also having 65% as a passing marks, or at less or high?
Uh,
It is having
yeah,
less or high?
stream training have the 50 marks of passing. So stream training have the less marks of passing, but in
Okay,
average, I think you need to score 65 marks.
okay.
Both the generic, LND, and the stream training.
So what was your final percentage?
Yeah, I got 81. So if you get above 80, then you will be considered as the HPF. And if you are the below 80, or if you are doing it in the second trial, so you will not be HPF, and then okay, you will get a little bit less salary,
So
which
can
will
you
be
just
matter
explain
for
this
only one.
HPF and all, like you are telling? Explain a little more, like
Mm,
what is HPF? And they're also having different things, right? TPF is also there, right?
yeah.
TPF, HPF. Can you explain like how this varies?
Okay. So TPF is basically a top performer, and HPF will be a high performer. And after HPF, there will be a APF, which will be a average performer. And okay, so that's it. So for the TPF, I think it's above 90 marks. So if you score above 90 marks in all the average, like generic, stream, and LND, okay, then you will be a TPF. Your salary will be, I think, same for the HPF, but you will get a bonus of 10,000 or 15,000. I don't know the exact number, but yeah, you will get a bonus of 10 to 20,000 once
Okay,
you complete the training. And if you are the HPF, then you will not get the bonus, but your salary will be a higher than average performer. Like the salary difference will be a 2.5 thousand you can consider.
okay. So
So, and
yeah,
also if you fail in the exam, in any exam, then they will give you the second chance after the 10 days of that. So they will give you total three chances. So even if you fail in the one exam, then you will consider as an average performer. So even after you have completed all the like in second or third attempt and you scored above 80, then they will consider you average performer also.
ओके, सो लाइक आपने अभी एक साल एज अ सिस्टम इंजीनियर भी कंप्लीट कर लिया है, सो हाउ इज लाइक बेंच पीरियड के, लाइक वी हैव हर्ड ऑफ लाइक many service based companies having a bench period, so we didn't get like project earlier, so we have to wait for the project, and they as like for long time we have to wait. So is that true in Infosys, like you have also waited for a long time for project?
Actually, I haven't waited for a long time due to the unavailability of projects. Actually, I got 3 to 4 project calls during my bench period, but okay, I haven't bring my laptop during the lockdown. Okay, so Infosys provided me the laptop later, like in 3 4 months. So I was almost like 5 months of bench period I faced. Okay, but in that bench period, I had the projects, but okay, I didn't had the laptop. So that was the problem. But the bench period is vary from the person to person and the DC to DC and the availability of the project. So some of the folks got the project in a week or so, and for some it can be a 8 9 months also. Okay, so it purely depend in which DC you are and in which stream you are and the availability of the project of that stream
Okay,
currently.
so any of your
Yeah,
friend is still on bench right now?
no, all got project, no one is on bench for now.
Okay, so you have seen
It
any
is in
yeah, yeah.
starting like 3 to 4 months, you will be in bench, then you will eventually land up on the project. Like
Okay.
even if you don't wish to, you will land up on project.
Okay. Like you have completed 1 year at Infosys as system engineer. So what changes you have seen like before this 1 year and now in you? Like there is a positive change or there is a negative change, or you are like nothing has changed, everything is same.
Actually, there is a definitely a change. Like before joining the Infosys or before joining the Infosys, like I was a little kind of the introvert person. But now, okay, in Infosys campus, you will get the friends all around the state. You can hang out there in Mysore and all the places are there. So when you meet lots of people, if you communicate with lots of people, yeah, there will be a confidence boost in you. There will be in the project, you need to talk with your clients like they are from USA and all other countries. So yeah, this will definitely boost your confidence and communication skills. And eventually, when you meet some people, and okay, so it's a positive change overall.
So there is any suggestion for upcoming intern or trainee, like you want to give, like this thing you have to do at Mysore, for attaining a good percentage, or like for having proper stay at Mysore?
Yeah. Okay, so Mysore training is the one which you can't forget in your life. It's just the best of all. Like all the people will put the status and all other will be irritated. Like why he's posting the Infosys status, but only Infosys will understand that what he's going through. Okay. So the Infosys training is very wonderful. So I'll suggest that enjoy your training. Like it's important to be an HPF or a TPF, and you should be an HPF because yeah, there will be a difference of pay package, and that matters only for a year. After that, everything will be almost same. But you should be HPF, but that doesn't mean that you always study and you are always in the GECs studying all over the night. There is a huge library in the Infosys which you can use. There is a YouTube channel, but trust me, you just need to listen to the educator and you just need to complete all the assignments on time. And once you are confident enough, you can be a HPF easily. Okay, so it's not that difficult. So I will suggest that study hard, but don't like sacrifice your enjoyment there. Like you have a beautiful campus, they are showing movies Saturday, Sunday. There are many places to go on weekends.
Okay.
So yeah, just
Yeah.
enjoy, I'll say.
So there is any difference you have seen like Infosys educator and your college teacher? So there is any difference of teaching like at Infosys is better or at college it's better?
Yeah, I can say in Infosys is better. Like I can connect it with my college because I was from the mechanical engineering background. So I
You are
can
not
say
biased
about the
now because you are in this company?
what? Come again?
You are not biased now because you are in this company?
No,
You are
no, no.
saying truth
I'm
now?
not biased.
Yeah.
But yeah, I can't compare the coding lessons because I haven't get any in the college. But
Yeah.
yeah, in Infosys, I think they will teach you the more practical things. They have the courses there, assignments there, and if you can't do it, there are the other teachers who are the helping you. Like in the classroom, there will be a one educator and there will be a one or two person which are there to help you. So even if you stuck anything or if you don't understand anything, you can ask them and they will help you. They will show you how you can do it. So yeah, there is all help you need there. So yeah, it is more practical. In college, I think we learn more theoretical things, but in Infosys, you will learn the more practical things and how to implement them.
Okay. So भैया जैसे कि if you are trained in SAP, so there is any chances like in after training like when you become system engineer, so कि आपको कोई और stream का project मिल जाए like आप SAP में train हो और by chance like आपको Angular का project मिल जाए और React का project मिल जाए, there is any chances of that kind of thing और कि SAP में train हो तो आपको SAP का ही project मिलेगा.
Okay, so that depends. Like after the training, most of the person got reskill or upskill. So if you got reskill, then you might get the other project also. And if you're willing to work in the other project, suppose you have got the stream which you don't wanted and you want to work in some other stream, okay, then you need to do, you have the chance to work in the other project, but then okay, you need to struggle, you need to learn that stream, you need to do certification, you need to got the skill tag, and then you need to approach to the managers and HRs that okay, I need the project of this stream, but they will not give you the project which are not related to your stream unless you wanted and unless you work for it.
Okay,
Okay. So
that's
if you
nice.
wish to work in other stream, then yeah, you can work by learning the things.
Okay.
But if you have done one the training in one stream, then you will get the project of that stream itself.
Okay. So overall out of 10, how much you want to give to Infosys?
Like for all other things, I will give 10 out of 10. Only the salary thing is
Not
little
biased one na?
disappointing. No, not wise one.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, only the salary thing is little disappointing, but it's actually it's for the fresher level, it's same for all the IT industry. And if you stay in one IT industry, yeah, the hikes are not that we can say proper than all the things. So
Okay.
yeah, that's
So
the
you are
only thing.
telling viewers like you have to switch if you are in Infosys, so start switching the company, right?
It's up to the viewer.
Okay,
समझदार कोई इस तरह का आप ही है.
that's nice.
But yeah, if you're in any IT industry, if you stay in one company, you will get a higher post and higher post. But if you're working for hikes, then you need to switch the company. But you should not switch immediately. Like you, at least you should work for 3 to 4 years
Okay,
in one company. Yeah, yeah. Infosys is very good. Like you can work in a lifetime for Infosys. But yeah, it's a salary part.
yeah. So thank you, Sauravya, for being a part of Lockdown Learner. Would you like to ask any question from us?
No, thank you. Thank you for calling me to Lockdown Learner.
Okay, thank you, Sauravya, for being a part of Lockdown Learner. Thank you, viewers, for watching this video. Kindly do subscribe to my channel.